This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nellie David, PA. Well maintained and ideally located. Main house is 2-bed/1 BTH, plus 1 studio can be in-law quarters, guest bedroom, home office, homeschool classroom, or rental income, English usage for current times. Wood floors, open kitchen, 2020 new central air conditioning. Gated for privacy and added security. Tinted in July 2020, pressure cleaned walls and driveway, new installed steps leading to patio from dining room. Master bedroom has adjacent room for future expansion. Close to Coral Gables, University of Miami, downtown Miami, Miami International Airport, shops, restaurants, access to public transportation. For more information, review the details below or contact Nellie David, PA at 305-807-0580.